All right, so you're here because your Best Away or Lazy Spa or similar switches itself off after a few days and you're left with a cold or not very hot spa, which is a bit annoying. Well, I'm going to show you how to double the time frame that it takes to switch itself off. I'm afraid there's no permanent solution to leave it on all the time without any major modifications. Let's just turn down the exposure a tad so we can see the control panel LCD screen. So at the moment, this bar is at 30 degrees Celsius because I have added some cold water when I cleaned it. It's normally at 40. So normally after 3 days from factory, it will turn itself off. Let's show you how to double this. So you've got a button with lock and unlock. What we need to do is hold that button down for 3 seconds. So I've just actually relocked it. So we'll do it again and unlock the control panel. There we go. So this symbol here is disappeared. Now you have a timer function. You've got 2 little timer symbols here. Press that for 3 seconds. You'll see some zeros and a H flash up. Now we want to press the down arrow to max this out at 48 hours. Now this will heat the spa for 48 hours continuously. Now this is only half the trick. Press the timer button once more. It will go to the next symbol. And you'll see some more zeros and a H. Press the down arrow. This will max out at 99 hours. So this will start counting down for 99 hours before it activates the 48-hour heating cycle. So during this time, the heater will stay on. So you've got 99 plus 48 hours of continuous heat, which is a tad over 6 days. So that's double the 3-day factory setting where it switches off from. So that's as easy as that. That's how you switch over from 3 to 6 days of heating. A bit annoying, but as long as you reset that once in that 6 days, you'll get another 6 days. So we've got the filter button here, the heater activation button. We can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit here and activate our bubbles. And obviously we've got our timer next that we just played around with, and our lock and unlock. If you want to know any more about the control panel and how it works, I'll do my best to reply. And I've got these brand new foam filters that I'll be replacing the paper filters with. I've pushed these to the absolute limit, which is maybe more than 6 months. So yeah, you can push these quite far. But if you want to see a video on the foam filter installation, let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you want to. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Beauty.